It's worth doing whatever work there is for you to do, the Aries, to make sure that you have clarity. I feel like people underestimate the power and value of clarity. And so they run around and, try really hard in their lives to make things happen, try really hard to, or at least convince themselves that they're doing the work, and I'm working every single day and maybe I'm not getting the results I want and so on and so forth. And it's not about right or wrong. It's more about being very clear on what you want. What is it that's most important to you? And this could be any area of your life. So I'm not necessarily pinpointing one area. The time and energy and quiet space that is required for you to gain that clarity is tremendous. Tremendous in that it doesn't mean you sit for 3 hours a day, get clear, not at all. Tremendous as in it needs to be incredibly consistent. So you spend a portion of your day, some of it might be 10 minutes, tomorrow might be 30 minutes, the next day. It doesn't have to be timed perfectly every single day. In a space that is quiet, so that everything in you becomes quiet. From that quiet space is where clarity is accessible to you, in that quiet space. So right now for the Aries, it's about getting clear in your life about what you want, not what you think you can have. Not based on your circumstances, because that's what people often do. Well, based on what I think I want, based on my circumstances, I can't get what I love, so I'll just settle. No settling. What is it that you actually really love?